How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and I am here at Idlewild and SoakZone. And yes, this park is open. It was rumored that it wasn't going to be open this year, but here we are on opening weekend here on Memorial Day, and the park is open, and we're going to check to see what is new and what is missing for the 2021 season. So let's go in the park and try to have some fun. Just to look around, a lot of the buildings are freshly painted. It looks very nice. Here's the map for 2021. One new thing in terms of operations is that all areas of the park open and closed at the same time. It used to be staggered opening and closings. The only one that doesn't follow this is SoakZone. It opens an hour later and closes an hour earlier. I'm not going to show you for obvious reasons, but Idlewild had just updated their main restroom, and boy is it very nice. It's probably one of the nicest theme park restrooms that I've ever been in. It's really good. For 2021, the Ferris Wheel has been removed. The Rollo coaster is back open. It was not open for 2020. And with that, for the first time in a long while, both coasters, the Rollo coaster and the Wild Mouse, are open here at Idlewild. So here is a pro tip. Come here at the park when they open at 10:30, and if you're trying to get the coaster credits, and we rode Rollo coaster once, and wild mouse twice in just under 20 minutes. They were just a walk on. So very, very good day so far. The kiddie Ferris wheel has also been removed.
Next week.
Jumpin Jungle and Storybook Forest are closed, but they will be opening later this year on June 10th. Confusion Hill, which is a walk-through attraction, is open this year at Idlewild. Maybe possibly the Noah's Ark can open up at Kennywood soon.
They're blocking the door though.
And that's going to do it here at Idlewild and SoakZone. I'll tell you what, I had a really good day. It was a really good day, actually. The weather was absolutely beautiful, and the crowds were here out enjoying the park, but it wasn't it wasn't crazy busy. It was a very nice, healthy crowd. A lot of people out here, especially with the rumors going around the park what may not have been opening this year. Looking around the park actually looks really good. A lot of stuff is refurbished. There's a lot of fresh paint, and most rides and attractions were open and staffed. And those that were not, there were signs showing opening dates. So in just a couple of weeks, we're going to have a full Idlewild and SoakZone, which is going to be very good to see. I can't wait to come out and see the entire park. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.